Hello and welcome to Plannr. My name is Emily and today we're going to be looking at setting up default folder structures. In Plannr, all cases and clients have a Documents tab. Here you can view and upload any documents and sort them into folders. While you can edit an individual client or cases folders in here, you can also set up default folder structures that can be applied to all cases and clients. To set this up, go to the Settings tab from the left-hand side menu and select Default Folders. Here you'll see any active folder structures. We don't have any right now, so we'll press Add New Folders. We're presented with a few options here, so first select whether these folders will apply to a client or a case. We'll do a client folder for now. Next it asks if this should apply to all clients or only a specific type. For this one we'll select all. Now we can set up the folders. So I'll make 2 folders here, and then 2 more folders to put inside these existing ones. You can do this by just dragging one folder into another. So once that's saved, it'll apply to all new clients created. However, if I wanted a different folder structure for a different client type, I can do that. So we'll go ahead and make a new folder structure, this time for joint clients. So we'll just set up the folders here and then save it. Now any new clients will be set up with the default folders for all clients unless it's a joint client. You can only have one active default folder structure for each type of client or case at a time, and a more specific folder structure overwrites the general one. Now by sliding this here, we can see all inactive default folder structures. To make one active again, we can just go to Actions and then Unarchive. And that's it! You've successfully set up default folder structures in Plannr. If you get stuck at all or need any extra help, the Help and Support tab on the left-hand side menu is always available. Here you can find useful articles as well as messages directly for help.